In a quiet street of a small village in Eswatini, a boy named Lindo dreams of a better tomorrow. His father passed away when he was barely old enough to remember. Every morning, Lindo faced a 15-kilometer journey to Lozitha Primary School. When transport money ran out, each missed day of school was a missed step towards his dreams. In August 2024, Lindo joined Kwakha Indvodza's Men of Tomorrow program. They visited his home, where his mother shared their struggles through strong ties with local educators. A place was secured for him at Kwaluseni Primary School. In January 2025, Lindo put on his new uniform and walked to school in less than 15 minutes. Today, his mother's gratitude is matched only by his determination. This is the journey of every young dreamer who needs someone to walk beside them. Thank you, Kwakha Indvodza, for changing Lindo's life.